viewers, welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one, I'm going to be reading a book called Shyest Ninja by Mary Nin. Pictures by Jelena Stopar. Without further ado, let's begin reading this book. If you didn't know Shyest Ninja, you would never tongue twister. You would have never known that she was once so shy. It prevented her from doing things she loved to do. She was a type of ninja who, at a party, she would be the first to say hi to you. While waiting in line at the water fountain, she would give you a compliment. And if you were a new kid on the soccer team, she would shake your hand to introduce herself. But it was always not like this. Once upon a time, Shyest Ninja was very, very shy. For example, when there was a game of Foursquare going on, Shyest Ninja would be too embarrassed to ask to play. Instead, she watched all the fun from a distance. Blah, blah, blah. If Shyest Ninja had a question to ask the teacher, she worried about asking in front of the whole class in case anyone laughed at her. So after class, she could whisper her question. And when it was time to perform her dance routine, she felt scared that she might mess up. So instead, she hid behind the curtain. Shyest Ninja was the shyest ninja of all until she met Kind Ninja. Hi, I'm Kind Ninja. I'm Shyest Ninja. It was the first day of school, and Kind Ninja could tell Shyest Ninja was very nervous. Hey, there's no reason to feel worried. School's gonna be a blast. I used to be kinda shy too until I learned a strategy to calm my fears, said Kind Ninja. Do you want me to show you? Sure, okay. I use the fun method. Focus, use, and nudge. First, focus on your breathing, like this. Inhale for 3 seconds. Hold for 3 seconds. Exhale for 3 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Well, pretty much it's just this. Pretty much it's just, never mind. Next, use positive mantras. And finally, nudge your fears aside. I can try, let's do this. As the bus neared the school, Shyest Ninja began to think what would happen on her first day of school. Her thoughts made her feel dizzy. She could feel her face turn red, her heart race, and her palms sweat. She thought, oh no, not again. She decided to try Kind Ninja's fun method. She said to herself, focus, use, nudge. What do I have to lose? Shyest Ninja focused on her breathing. She took a slow, deep breath, held it for 3 seconds, then exhaled slowly. She did this 3 times. Then she used positive thoughts like, I can do this. Finally, she nudged her fears aside and exclaimed, move over, fears, Shyest Ninja is here! And do you know what happened? It worked! For the first time ever, Shyest Ninja felt confident that she could handle anything that came her way. All she needed to do was focus on fun. Remembering the fun method could be your secret weapon against extreme shyness and social anxiety. Focus, use, nudge. That also goes for you too, viewers. If you're having a little shy coming up in yourself, use the method. By breathing, inhaling for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Holding for 3 seconds. And outhailing for 3 seconds. There. And then you have to repeat it 3 times. It's like using a repeat block encoding. So that's the end of this book. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you didn't. I hope this book helps you to not become shy. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give a like, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!